I've just never seen Angry Birds that big and awesome before.
Yeah!
Make it make a sound.
Let's see what he makes.
I think maybe just the black one.
Yeah. We can use this big nuke to fight my tiny pig, right?
Go get your tiny pig.
Hey Connor, I'll fight the tiny pig.
Connor, make that make a sound for me. Make that make a sound. Is that a cool thing or not a cool thing?
A cool thing.
It's a cool thing?
And I have one of my ankles. Let's go get it. Let's go get it.
You're going to go get your little black Angry Bird?
Yeah.
Well, Caitlin, then you need to say hi to Miss Melissa.
Hi, Miss Melissa.
Good morning. No, okay, you don't have to. Don't be shy. It's okay. What's going on in here?
Mom, we need to put him on something so he could stand and then the Angry Bird could...